Hey guys, so today is D-Day, right? We are busy staging our new short-term rental listing here in Langebaan. We're getting it ready for the professional photographer. You'll see there in the background is the dining room table, been set up. Artwork has been set up on the walls. We're really excited. And what I wanted to do very quickly is I wanted to share 3 tips that you can use to make sure that you set yourself apart from the competition when you list your property on a short-term rental platform like Airbnb and Booking.com. The first thing, guys, remember, people buy with their eyes. So buy or rent, and we definitely want to use professional photographers. So that is the first tip I would suggest. Please don't try and take your own photos unless you are a professional photographer, obviously. The first thing is, and also when you talk to your professional photographer, make sure that they get as much light, natural light into the photos when they take it. No shadows, no dark lines. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, make sure that your photos is an accurate reflection of the true experience when they're actually going to stay at the property. Do not fall into the trap of trying to take photos of things that will not actually be included in the experience when they come and stay at your property. Right, guys? And the third thing that is really important is make sure that you add as much information to the description of your listing so that people can read through that and get a very accurate estimation of what the experience will be like. They want to prepare themselves as much as they can before they come to stay at your property. And as the more information you can give them in the description of your photos and in the description of the listing, the more prepared your guests will feel. And the more prepared they feel, the more they will be able to enjoy their stay at your property. So those are my 3 tips that I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you can implement it when you're looking to list some of your properties on short-term rental platforms. And I hope that helps. We're really excited. We're busy doing our own short-term rentals at the moment. We're helping some of our clients that we're coaching also with short-term rentals. It's an absolutely incredible market to get into, and we're really excited to continue to share these tips and information with you that will help you on your journey, on your short-term rental journey. Hope you have an amazing day, and we'll chat to you soon.